Juicy baked chicken with oat crust. Let's start cooking. Place the ground chicken on a baking pan with parchment paper, and use a fork to flatten it. In a bowl, place 1 cup of yogurt and squeeze in some lemon. Mix and spread on the flattened minced chicken. Place the thin slice of tomato on top. Sprinkle shredded cheese on top. Cut the parchment paper according to the size of the flattened minced chicken and place half of it on top. Crack the egg and add salt to taste, then beat it. Brush the beaten egg over the minced chicken. Grind the oatmeal in a food processor. Garlic powder, chili powder, ground pepper, salt. Mix well to balance the flavors. Sprinkle on top of chicken minced. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Then you have it, a juicy baked chicken with oat crust. Bon appetit! Don't forget to subscribe Rena's Kitchenary. Thank you. See you in my next video.